Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical robot lawn mower, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, but the perfect mower offers the best solution for robot lawn mower, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of research, and compiled a list of the best robot lawnmowers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Mammotion LUBA 2 AWD Robot Lawnmower. Looking for the ultimate lawn care solution? Meet the Mammotion LUBA 2 AWD Robot Lawnmower. The perfect blend of innovation, performance, and convenience. Powered by a battery and designed with all-wheel drive, this smart mower handles complex terrains and slopes with a 38 degrees with ease. Thanks to RTK Plus Vision technology, it navigates narrow passages and areas with weak signals, making it ideal for lawns up to 2.5 acres. Say goodbye to perimeter wires! With the Mammotion app, you can set virtual boundaries with sea-level accuracy, customize cutting modes, and even control it through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Covering up to 5,381 square feet per hour, it mows efficiently at heights from 2.2 to 4 inches. Environmentally friendly, with solar-powered RTK, this mower also boasts GPS theft protection for peace of mind. The LUBA 2 AWD ensures a dynamic, hassle-free mowing experience. Number 2. YUKA 3D Vision Positioning and RTK Fusion Mapping Robot Lawnmower. Discover the ultimate in lawn care innovation with the YUKA 3D Vision Positioning and RTK Fusion Mapping Robot Lawnmower by Mammotion. Designed for precision and convenience, YUKA uses advanced 3D vision and RTK navigation to achieve centimeter-level accuracy, even in challenging conditions with obstacles or weak signals. Perfect for lawns up to 0.5 acres, it handles slopes of up to 24 degrees with ease. This intelligent mower goes beyond cutting with its self-emptying lawn sweeping function, collecting leaves, twigs, and grass clippings autonomously. Its powerful dual-cutting disguise design delivers efficiency and precision, cutting widths up to 12.59 inches with dynamic height adjustments from 1.2 to 4 inches. YUKA's AI obstacle avoidance recognizes 100-plus objects, ensuring safety for your loved ones and garden. Manage up to 20 mowing regions via the Mammotion app, setting no-go zones and custom schedules. Experience quiet, eco-friendly, and hassle-free lawn maintenance with YUKA today. Number 3. Segway Navimow APP Control VF Robot Lawnmower. Say hello to effortless lawn care with the Segway Navimow APP Control VF Robot Lawnmower. Designed for precision and efficiency, this innovative mower features RTK Plus Vision integration for stable positioning, even in areas with weak signals or light tree coverage. Its advanced visual recognition ensures accurate boundaries and seamless mowing. Forget perimeter wires. With the Navimow app, you can easily set virtual boundaries and manage up to 12 mowing zones. Customize schedules, cutting heights, and monitor progress all from your smartphone. The 8.3-inch cutting width and systematic mowing paths ensure even coverage while minimizing tracks on your lawn. Navimow's obstacle avoidance system detects objects like flower pots and picnic mats, while multiple safety sensors guarantee secure operation. Built with durable materials and stylish in black, gray, and orange, it's perfect for lawns up to 0.74 acres. Experience smarter, safer, and hassle-free mowing with Segway Navimow today. Number 4. Husqvarna Automower Ultra Quiet Smart Mowing Robotic Lawnmower. Transform your lawn care routine with the Husqvarna Automower 430XH, a robotic lawnmower that combines advanced technology with effortless performance. Designed for lawns up to 0.8 acres, this ultra-quiet mower navigates challenging terrain, narrow passages, and slopes of up to 22 degrees, ensuring a perfectly manicured lawn 24/7. Smart integration makes mowing a breeze. Control schedules, settings, and mowing progress from your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home. Its reliable wired boundary system provides consistent performance, even in shaded or tree-covered areas. The DIY installation kit includes everything you need to set up and start mowing quickly. Built to handle all weather conditions, the Husqvarna Automower boasts a 9-inch cutting width and GPS theft protection, ensuring security with tracking and a PIN code lock. Compact, weatherproof, and efficient, it's the ultimate solution for modern lawn care. Upgrade your lawn maintenance today with Husqvarna Automower. Number 5. SUNSEEKER Smart APP Control Wireless Robot Lawn Mower. Elevate your lawn care with the SUNSEEKER Smart APP Control Wireless Robot Lawn Mower. Designed for efficiency and convenience, the SUNSEEKER X7 delivers precise mowing with its 14-inch dual-blade system, ensuring a professional finish on lawns up to 0.75 acres. This mower uses advanced RTK G&JS technology for accurate navigation and obstacle avoidance, even in complex garden layouts. Effortlessly manage mowing schedules, customize cutting heights, and monitor progress through the user-friendly SUNSEEKER app. Built for reliability, the X7 features an AWD driving system for tackling tough terrain and dense grass with ease. Its waterproof, washable design includes automatic rain detection, ensuring safe returns to the charging base during wet weather. With whisper-quiet operation, real-time updates, and intelligent path planning, the SUNSEEKER X7 is the perfect addition to any garden. Transform your lawn maintenance routine with SUNSEEKER's cutting-edge technology today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.